Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can set a username for your Telegram account. So how are you going to do it? Watch this video till the end and let's find out. First thing you need to do is to go to your Telegram application on your device. Once you open the application, you need to tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Once you tap there, you need to tap on settings. So once you tap on settings, you will find the username here. And as you can see, there is no username set. So I will tap on that one. And here you can set your username. You can choose a username on Telegram. If you do, people will be able to find you by this username and contact you without needing your phone number. So if you don't want to share your phone number with people that they should add you on Telegram, this is the best way to create a username and then give the username to people and they can add you. So you need to choose characters, 5 characters at least, and should be from A to Z and 0 to 9. There can be underscores as well in that one. So let's suppose I create one, and as you can see, this one is available, and I will tap on here to save it. And now as you can see, my username has been set up. So guys, this is how you can set your username on Telegram application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.